Good morning, everyone, or hello, lovely people. Welcome to our morning routine Italian edition. So this is how I wake up in the van. I usually open up the door to see how the weather is. Eric and I are entrepreneurs. We both have our own companies. So a morning routine helps us to stay productive and focused. And yes, we hope it will help you as well. So let's start. In the morning, we begin with writing down what we are grateful for and what would make today great. This helps us to stay focused and to be more conscious about our goal. Because we are babysitting a dog and a house of friends at the moment, we do the rest of the morning routine in the study room in the house. Here we continue with yoga, breathing and meditation. And it is such a beautiful room, don't you think? Well, we start our waking up routine with drinking a glass of water with doTERRA lemon oil. And we do this because it's for cleansing the body and it promotes a positive mood. So, cheers, Eric. After we had our glass, we put some frankincense oil and lavender oil in the diffuser. We do this because it helps to make the mind calm and focused. And lavender helps ease the feelings of tensions. And the aroma of frankincense promotes feelings of relaxation. So it's commonly used in 100 of years. So that makes frankincense oil really special. So we start our routine with yoga. We practice Vinyasa yoga, which means we do every pose for 4 breaths and then go on to the next pose. We practice yoga for about 20 minutes a day. And we start poses on the floor and continue standing up straight, following by the down-facing dog, the plank, the upper dog, and the warrior poses. And we end our session in child pose. Before we start with the meditation, we do some breathing exercises of Marleen van den Hout. Our friends Mario-José and Chef taught us this method. And if you want to know more about this method, I will write something in the description below so you can find it there. Because of this conscious breathing method, we feel way more energetic and we feel more at ease in our bodies. And that's why we added the breathing in our morning routine recently. And you know, a funny fact is that most of us forget to breathe correctly. You need to use your belly and not your chest. Did you know? This way you use way more lung capacity when you're breathing with your belly. We end our session with meditation, and mostly we meditate on music from Spotify or Apple Music and not on Bruno Mars music. And it's also what you prefer, right? But our favorite meditation music is made by Estas Tonne. And you will find his beautiful meditative music down below. I will write it in the description. Another new thing in our morning routine, and this is because it's a summer edition, of course, is that we are going for a swim. We are in Italy at the moment and it's warm outside the house and inside the house. And then in the morning it's great to do a morning swim. The lake that you see right now is called Lago di Orta, named after the village Orta, which is a really old and nice Italian village. But the beauty of this area I'm gonna show you in another video. And before the breakfast, I take care of myself. Put on some makeup, brush my teeth, smile in the mirror, and find a pretty dress to wear for the day. In the morning we make oats, always the same basic recipe. You can download the healthy oat recipe down below. And we decorate the oats with fruits, nuts and sometimes with some homemade granola. This is different every day. It looks like a party in a bowl, right? So you can choose your favorite fruits, depends on the seasons, and just decorate your oats. And during the breakfast, Eric and I discussed the workday, which are our goals, which things that we need to do, so we can help each other. And after the breakfast, we clean, and that's the first moment I grab my phone to see if I have any messages which need an answer. And after that, it's time to open the laptops. And the first website we go to is called Trello. It's a productivity tool where you can put your to-dos. To work on a task with focus, we use the Pomodoro timer. So this is the end of the Healthy Morning Routine Italian edition. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our channel. You can also download a PDF with the recipe of the healthy oats. Thank you, bye bye!